Hey guys, in today's video I just wanted to do a little review on my new Bissell Spot Cleaner. I'll do a quick unboxing and we'll show you what we get in the box, and then we'll have a look at how we get it set up, and then we'll go clean a few spots that I have on my lounge suite, and I've got a coffee spill on my car seat that I wanted to clean up as well. So we'll test it out and I'll let you know my thoughts on it. So you can see here we have a bit of a watermark from something that I want to get rid of. So here we have the trigger, and that's what's going to squirt the water out. So if we just hold this down, we can get the couch all nice and wet, and then it will suck up all the water as we go. At first I didn't realize you need to do a little bit of scrubbing on these tougher stains. So to get this tough stain out, I had to spray a fair bit of water and do a little bit of scrubbing. And I find that the more pressure you push down with and the slower you go, the better it works. So after scrubbing for a little bit, that mark started to disappear, and you can see there's also that little white dot on the couch. I'm not sure what that was from, but that just didn't want to come off. But you can see all the gross dirt coming out of the couch as I push it down. Which is quite satisfying to see that you're getting rid of all of that. Okay, so I have finished doing this section of the couch. So I just did the back of the couch, this cushion and the arm, and I'll show you what the water looked like just from doing this one seat. You can see how gross the water is, so it's really nice knowing that you've gotten all of that out of the couch. Okay, so I've let the couch dry for a few hours and this is what it's come up looking like. I think it looks pretty good. You can see here a before and after. I think it's got most of the spots. There's a couple of tiny little ones left on there, which I might go over it again later, but overall I think it's looking pretty good. Okay, now over to the car. You can see here there is a coffee stain and probably other drinks that have ended up on the seat that I really want to get out. So we will give this one a go and see how it turns out. So you can see now I've just swapped over to the smaller nozzle. It just seemed to be a bit easier using this one on the car seats because it is a smaller space. Okay, so I'm finished with this one. We'll leave it for a while to dry and we'll come back and see what it looks like. Okay, so I left this seat overnight to dry and it's come up looking pretty good. You can see there's still a little bit of staining on the side where the seat goes up on an angle a little bit, so I might go over that again. But in the middle section it looks like all the coffee stain is now gone. So overall I'm really happy with the Bissell Spot Cleaner. It has done what I bought it to do, so I'm going to finish going over the rest of my lounge suite and the rest of the car seats and freshen everything up. That's it for this video. I hope it was helpful for you. If it was, hit that like button and thanks for watching.